What's up guys, Greg Baer here, and in today's video we're going to be building the ugliest ugly sweater in the history of the world. So I'm going to show you everything I bought for this, show you the sweater before, and let's get started. Isn't she a beaut? Got this little rascal at a rummage sale for $1. Look at those cats. That just screams ugly Christmas sweater. And that schoolhouse with birds on top of it. Oh yeah. He's gonna make one ugly effing sweater. Alright, let me show you the supplies. So I took myself on a little dollar store shopping spree. Spent about 15 bucks. Got these really sick little dovey doves. Ooh, nice crappy nutcracker. Little stuffed animal. Those awful necklace blinking lights. Nice little bell. Ton of baby bells. Got some snickerdoodle cookies, because what doesn't scream Christmas but snickerdoodle cookies, right? Got some ugly red garland. About 30 of these ornaments. A nice awful tumbler. Some mini candy canes. Fake poinsettia. Ugly little stocking. Some bows. Gonna glue the old advent calendar on the back, of course. Got a Christmas plate for the cookies. Also have a milk jug once I'm actually finished drinking the milk to glue on. And I also have to go outside and pick up some pine cones off the ground because I didn't feel like buying them since I have pine trees. So let's do that right now. Boop. Going outside to get some pine cones. Pine cones. About 25 degrees out here, it's kind of cold, but gotta get some pine cones. Some pine cones. Let's find some pine cones. Yeah, got some pine cones. Ooh, it's pine cone heaven. Oh, hey, Subaru. Aren't you the prettiest little Subaru? But pine cones. Well, I think that's about enough. Teleport to back inside. Whoa, back inside. All right. Glue gun is on and hot. We are ready to go. I think I'm going to start with the advent calendar and glue that right on the back for a nice big advent calendar display, because that's what everybody wants to see on their ugly sweater. Nice dollar store advent calendar. Let's do it. Alright guys, so the ugly sweater is done. Only thing left to do now is to try it on. The sweater is actually a medium and I kind of wear like a medium large-ish, so it's going to be a little difficult, but see what we can do without knocking everything off the sweater. Let's do her. Wow. This thing is super ugly. exactly. We do a spin around here. Yeah, ugliest sweater ever made. So with that being said, hopefully next video I'm actually going to have someone wear this and I can film them. We're going to go downtown where there's a lot of people, film some reactions, people driving by, people walking by, do some silly stuff. So that's about it for today's video. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more, definitely subscribe. And if you want to stay in the know for all my future uploads, turn on the notification bell and make sure it's set to notifications on always. I post a video every Monday and Friday at 3:30 p.m. on the dot. And I hope to see you guys next video. Greg Baer out.